Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today I'm going to teach you about the sound in our Learning to Read program. We already know that the letter M can make the sound. I'm going to read some words, and I want you to point to the letter making the sound in each word. Milk, mouse, monkey. Great. M can also make the sound. I'm going to read some words, point to the letters making the sound in each word. Hammock, hammer, summer. Great. The letters MB can also make the sound. It makes the B silent. The reason we have the silent B after M sometimes is that people used to pronounce this B when they were talking. We don't say it anymore, but we still spell it that way. As I read the words, point to the letters making the sound in each word. Comb, plumber, climb. Great. MN can also make the sound with that silent N. Point to the letters making the sound in each word. Autumn, columns, hymn. Great. Now I'm going to show you some letters and digraphs. I want you to say the sound each makes. I'll give you about 2 seconds to say the sound, and then I will say the sound so you can check your work. Mm. 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 Ah. Ah. Mm. 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 Oi. Oi. You or ooh or Great. Now I'm going to show you some words. You have about 5 seconds to read each word, and then I will read it so you can check your work. Climb, man, autumn, limb, hammer. Great job. You can practice with this video as many times as you need to master this sound. For more reading resources, go to www.teachingforthelove.com.